Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something fun and colorful, learning the names of color in Nepali. Whether you are traveling to Nepal or just want to expand your language skills, then this video will help you master Nepali colors in no time. Let's get started. First color is red, which in Nepali is Rato. Repeat after me, Rato. Rato. Imagine raw, R-A-W, raw and T-O-E, to. Now together say Rato. Raw, Rato. Easy, right? Next up is blue. In Nepali, we say Nilo. Try saying it Nilo. Think of N-E-E, ni, and L-O-W, low. Together, it's Nilo. Nilo. Perfect. Now, for ring, we say it Audio. 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 Moving into the yellow, it's Pahelo in Nepali. Pahelo. Pahelo. H-Y-A. Pahelo. For black, the Nepali word is Kalo. Just like ka without R and lo. Kalo. 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 White is Seto in Nepali, like saying say, S-A-Y, say, and T-O-E, to together. Seto. 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 Now it's orange, and orange is called Suntala in Nepali. Think of S-O and Sun and Tala. Now say it together. Suntala. 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 Remember, it is same for both the fruit and color for orange. That is, orange as a fruit and orange as a color. And in English for color, in Nepali for color we say Suntala, and for fruit also we say Suntala. Now next is pink. Pink is called Gulabi in Nepali. Gulabi. 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 Now purple. Purple is called Pyazi in Nepali. Pyazi. 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 Now brown in Nepali is called Khairo. Khairo. Repeat after me. Khairo. R-O-W-R-O. Khairo. Now it's time for grey. Grey is called Kharani color, which is also called as, and in Nepali, as is called Kharani, so it is basically Kharani. 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 Now it's time for golden, and golden in Nepali is called Sunaulo. Try it like Su, S-O, Su, No, N-O-W, No, and Lo. Sunaulo. 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 And silver is called Rajat in Nepali. Say it with me. Rajat. 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 Amazing. You have just learned the Nepali names for several colors. Practice this daily. Soon you will be pro at naming colors in Nepali. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy language lessons. Comment down below with your favorite color in Nepali. Until next time, Namaste.